Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals Part 2. So today we are going to see some statement problems. In Part 1 you have studied addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction and arranging descending order and ascending order of fractions. Clear? In Part 2 you are going to see some statement problems. See, exercise 2.1 fourth question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1/2 centimeter long and 10 2/3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So rectangular sheet, you know how to draw rectangle? This is rectangle. You draw rectangle. Okay, you take this is length. Suppose you name the rectangle ABCD, means AB is length, CD also length, opposite sides are equal. Clear? So here this is L, this is also L. So now BC you take, B means opposite sides are equal. So this is also B, breadth. Okay. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter means what? Sum of the all sides. Sum of the all sides. Okay, you have to find out the length of the boundary. Okay, boundary length. You have to find out. So here all sides add means you will get length of the boundary. That is perimeter. Here how many L there? 2L plus 2B. 2 you take common means 2 into L plus B. That is perimeter. In 6th class also you studied perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay? You remember this. You see here length given. Long means what? Length. Length of rectangle is equal to 12 1/2 centimeter. It is given. And wide, that is breadth of rectangle. Breadth of rectangle is given 10 2/3 centimeter. This you take L, this one B. This one you take L. B. Length means L, breadth means B you take. Now we know that perimeter of rectangle what is perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B units. Okay. Now you what is L? You just what substitute here. Put the value of L and B. So that's equal to. So easily we can find out the perimeter. So put L. L is 12 1/2 plus B is 10 2/3. Already you studied the addition of fractions in part 1. Okay, how to add? First what you have to change the here both are mixed fractions. Change into what? Improper fractions. Clear? So 2 into you change it here. 12 into 2 first to multiply then add. Clear? Add the dividend. 24 plus 25 by 2. Divisor you write as it is. Clear? Just what integer part you multiply, then add the numerator 25. 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 plus here 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. Next take LCM here because when the denominators are no common factor, then you multiply the denominator. Multiply the denominator means 6. Then cross multiply you do 75 plus 64. Okay. Now 2 into this 75 plus 64. 9, 13 by 6. You see here this is by 1 is there. So that means this 2 is numerator, 3 is 6 is denominator, means you simplify this. 1 time will go, this will go. How much time? 3 times into table. Okay. So correctly we get 139 by 3. That means you can divide. You can divide it. 3 divide means in 13 how many 3 there? 4, that is 12. Then bring down that 9. How many 3 there? 6, 18. That is remainder 1. Now this improper fraction you have to write into mixed fraction. That means how many times with the quotient you write? 46. Then the remainder, the numerator you write by the denominator 3. That is 46 1 by 3. 46 1 by 3 is the perimeter. Here the unit is centimeter. So centimeter you write. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Clear? So easily we can solve this problem. You should know how to add the fraction. Clear? How to add the mixed fraction here. Then you will get the improper fraction. You change into mixed fraction. Okay? So next question is the 6th question. Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay. Have you seen the frame? It is in the form of what? Rectangular. Okay. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide, means width. Width of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than this width. That is 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So how much should be the picture to be trimmed? Means just to subtract. Okay, the picture should be trimmed by subtract from the picture. Here, the width and this width you have to subtract. That means 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Subtract. You know how to subtract. First you change this mixed fraction into fraction. 35 38. 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Here what is LCM? Here you see the denominator. Common factor there. Means easily you can make the denominator same. Here multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. That means 38 into 2 by 5 into 2. Numerator multiply by 2 means denominator also you should multiply. So that you can easily make the denominator as 10. Already 10 is there here. 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. 10 is common. Take 70, just subtract the numerator. That means 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Here, 3 by 10 is the proper fraction. That means 3 by 10 centimeter you will get. Okay. You have to trim it by 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay. Next problem you see. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. And the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Here, you know apple, some part eaten by Ritu. How much part? 3 by 5. Here. Then the remaining part eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Okay, who had larger part? Who had larger part? So, part first to find out the how much part of apple ate by Somu. Clear? So, what you have to do for that? First, what? Whole apple. From the whole apple, you subtract Ritu part. Means you will get. Clear? So, one full apple means 1. 1 apple. From 1, you subtract this Ritu part. 1 minus 3 by 5 means you will get Somu part. Here, therefore, part of apple ate by Somu. Part of apple ate by Somu is equal to 1 full apple minus Ritu part subtract. Ritu part you subtract. That means you will get here 5 is LCM. Here 5 is LCM means this you cross multiply means 5 minus 3. Okay, that is equal to how much? 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now you see, you compare the both number, which is a large one. Which is large one? 3 is the numerator is denominator same. 3 is what? Big. So Ritu part is big. Here Ritu had a larger part. Here, therefore Ritu had larger part. Larger part of apple. By how much? By how much means you subtract. By how much means you have to subtract. Here, that is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. How much? 1 by 5. Here 3 minus 2, 1. Denominator is same. So you subtract. Therefore, Ritu had larger share by 1 by 5. By 1 by 5. Okay, so like this easily we can find out. See the next problem, 8th problem. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? So how will you find out who worked longer? That means both fraction you have to compare. So comparison, how will you do? Make the denominator same. Here 12 is the denominator, here 4 is there. Here. So this denominator you can make it as 12 easily by multiplying by 3. First you take this 4. This 4 you can make it 12 means multiply by 3 numerator and denominator. That means 9 by 12. Now easily we can compare. You see 7 by 12, 9 by 12. Which is large? 9 by 12 is large. Therefore 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. So when the denominators are equal, then you compare the numerator. Which is greater? 9 greater. So 9 by 12 greater than 7 by 12. So who worked longer? Vaibhav or Michael? So Vaibhav worked longer. Here. Therefore Vaibhav worked longer. By how much? By how much means biggest minus smallest subtracted. Okay. Therefore Vaibhav longer by subtracted. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So denominator same. Take LCM. 9 minus 7. How much? 2 by 12. That is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6. 1 by 6 hour. Vaibhav worked longer. 1 by 6 hour. So I will give same type of problems, few problems as homework. Okay, you do the homework for better practice. Okay, then in the next part I will teach you multiplication of fractions.